ipinagpapasalamat mo na nakuha mo na ngayon? Iyan ang naging tanong ko kay Donnie. Say ng aktor, si Tink, ipinagpapasalamat ko na ibinigay siya sa akin ni God. How wonderful it is to finally have a woman who appreciates me for who I am and treats me with respect. It's truly astounding how hard it is to find that. And it's something I really cherish. She's my best friend and my partner in life. Bongga, tapos na talagang laban. Seryoso talaga siya kay Bang Mariano.